So as we all know, the Bible is filled with a lot of wisdom that if we're not careful, we can miss out on a lot of good teachings. One of those books that's in the Bible that have a lot of wisdom that I say is underrated is the book of Haggai. See, Haggai was a prophet that was called from God to go send a message to Jerusalem to tell them why is my temple not complete. See, as we remember, they was exiled to Babylon, but when they returned back, they did start building the temple, but unfortunately they fell back into sin. So God sent a message to Haggai to tell them to get back going. See, he also said, y'all work a lot, but y'all don't reap any harvest. Y'all have nice clothes, but it's not enough clothes to keep you warm. Y'all making money, but it's as if y'all got holes in your pocket. See, in Matthew 6:33, it say, seek the kingdom, live righteously, and all these things will be added to you. See, they were doing things backwards. They were doing all this work and trying to do all these things in their own strength that they wasn't successful like they could have been because they didn't put the kingdom first. They didn't put God first. But anyway, they did finish rebuilding the temple and God blessed them. It's a lot of times in our life we do the same thing. We put our families first, we put our hobbies first, we put our jobs first instead of putting God first. We put all these things first, and by the end of the day, we don't have enough energy, enough time to spend with God. But when God tells us to put Him first, we're supposed to put Him first in the morning when we get up, pray to Him, spend our time with Him. First thing, we're supposed to give God the first of our seed, not just including the money, but our time too. But instead, the world have us so engulfed into it that we doing all these other things first and wondering why we haven't been successful as we could. See, the book of Haggai is a very good gem because it really teaches the cheat code. Just by putting God first and all these other things will come to you a lot easier. But we do everything backwards that we shoot ourselves in the foot. And I recommend the book of Haggai because it's a real good book and it gets straight to the point. It's only 2 chapters, but it has so much wisdom in it. And I think it's a lot of reason why most of us are missing out on the blessing that God got for us because we just simply don't put Him first. Like I said, Matthew 6:33 says, seek the kingdom, live righteously, and all these things will be added to you. Now, it's important for us to have these things. God wanted to have these things, these jobs, these families, these hobbies, all these things, but He wants you to put Him first. He don't want you to make all these things an idol. And when we put those things in front of God, we're making them an idol. And we'll never be successful as we could be just by putting God first. It's really simple. It's one of the most underrated books, the book of Haggai. I think you should read it and apply it to your life as soon as possible. Let me know down in the comments what y'all think. See you in the next video. Peace.